Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Dropbox data to a new Mac user, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer Dropbox data to a new Mac user, begin by ensuring that both users have Dropbox accounts. On the old user's Mac, open Dropbox from the Applications folder or the menu bar. Sign in to the old user's Dropbox account if not already. Navigate to the files you want to transfer. Select the files or folders by clicking on them. Right-click on the selected items and choose the Share option. In the Share dialog that appears, enter the new user's email address associated with their Dropbox account. Make sure to adjust the sharing settings to allow the new user to view or edit the files. Click the Share button to send the invitation. Now, switch to the new user's Mac. Open the email from Dropbox that contains the sharing invitation. Click the link in the email to accept the shared folder. Sign in to the new user's Dropbox account if prompted. Once accepted, the shared folder will appear in the new user's Dropbox. To ensure local access, right-click on the shared folder and select Sync or Download. The files will now begin downloading to the new user's Dropbox folder. Wait for the sync to complete to access the files offline. Finally, review the transferred files to ensure everything is in order. This process allows the new user to have access to all the necessary Dropbox data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.